Good evening, my name is Jack Harris and I'm the head of the sixth form here at Uxbridge College. I'd like to welcome you to this virtual open day event, and I'm sorry that I'm not able to welcome you in person to show you around our fantastic facilities. I'm pleased to see that many of you are considering a place in the sixth form for September 2021. We have a strong track record of results that supports progression to the most competitive courses and the best universities in the United Kingdom and further afield. We are not just an exam factory, and we offer a range of extracurricular as well as pastoral programmes that will support your son or daughter in the longer term. For September 2021, our results have enabled us to expand the provision within the sixth form. So, from September, we will be offering, in addition to our current programme of subjects, AS Economics, AS Further Maths, and we'll also be running additional groups of BTEC Applied Science. At the end of this presentation, I do hope you will make an application, and I'd hope to see as many of you as possible in September.
Hello and welcome to the Open Day this evening. My name is Nikki Nicolaou. I am the Section Manager for English, Media and Mathematics here at the Sixth Form Centre. I have been working here for about 18 years in total, and I have really enjoyed watching students develop and progress and realise their dreams, which is, to become successful individuals and go on to have careers. Here at the Sixth Form Centre, we really value strong in-class participation and strong attendance. For me, it's really important because there is a direct correlation between strong attendance and results, regardless of the MAG grades you come in with. So everybody has an opportunity to be successful, everybody has an opportunity to succeed and change their lives. And that's what FE is all about. So while we are an FE institution, we are a sixth form centre and we have very high academic standards here. And we really want all of our students to do well and progress onto university and higher education. I'm primarily an English lecturer, and for me English has been a real pleasure to teach, and many people ask me why should anybody study literature at A level, and there are many reasons for why. If you want to study literature at university, then that's fantastic, and you should definitely do literature at A-level. But as a third A-level, it really complements other subjects and other career paths. It is a very well-regarded subject, which will help develop your analytical skills, your ability to write critically, to analyse, to develop an argument. You will be able to say things precisely and concisely in an essay form, and both in terms of the written form and verbally as well. We also run a GCSE resit programme here, which has helped many students develop their language skills and gain qualifications that help them at university and beyond.
Hello, my name is Dr. Conal Ruddy. I'm a lecturer in mathematics and further mathematics at the college. I've been working here for 3 years, and prior to working here, I taught at university for 10 years. If I were to give advice to any student of mathematics or further mathematics at A level, I would think back to some of the best students that I have. People who left this college and went to the top universities with 4 A stars, including mathematics and further mathematics. And I have to be honest with you, those students, as well as being the most gifted, were clearly the most hardworking. So if the most gifted students are putting in the most work, there is no reason for anyone else not to match that level of effort. So there's no real secret to success in mathematics. It's practice, practice, practice from the very first day through to the exam, and that's how you'll get you your exam success.
Hi, my name is Rasha. Al-Rabaii. I'm the section manager for the science department here at the sixth form. I've been working here for the last 7 years, and before that I was a pharmacist, or I'm still a pharmacist really technically, but I worked as a community pharmacist before I made the transition to become a teacher. I'm also a teacher for the applied science level 3 here at Uxbridge College at sixth form, also A-level biology teacher What I enjoy most about my career and my role here in the sixth form is you get to see the progression that students do make throughout the 2 years or the 3 years we have them. We get students starting with us from GCSEs, and often they progress to NAS and then further to A-level, or from GCSEs to a BTEC program in applied science. And throughout those 2 or 3 years that we have them with us, we get to see the progress they make academically, of course, and also the personality changes that they will have throughout the year. Advice I would give to future students starting with us at any level really is, number one, to follow your teacher's advice. This is always a good advice to give to students, because sometimes students just think that well, my friend knows better, or my YouTube knows better, or Google knows better. And however, the people that are taking care of your academic progress knows best, and I think this is a very great advice for you to start with. Apart from that, attendance is quite a key to your progress. If you're not here, you won't be able to get the full extent of the benefits of being taught by a very high caliber staff. So we need you here. We need you in the classroom. You need to be mentally open to being positive towards your education. Learning itself, it needs a positive, open mindset. It is not going to be enough for you just to be present, but you need to be present and ready and committed and pretty much taking that opportunity that we are offering you by studying in the sixth form.
My name's Rupal. I teach A-level biology, and I'm the course team leader for BTEC Science, and I also teach a couple of the units on that course. I've worked at the college for just under 6 years. I really enjoy teaching biology, mainly because that's been my passion for a very long time. I came from industry, having been a forensic scientist where I used to look at biological samples, and so that area of science has always fascinated me. It's something that is quite fast moving, there's lots of current research being done in it, so the developmental side and the research side of biology is super interesting to teach the students about. For anyone hoping to study at Uxbridge College, the number one piece of advice I would give them is to ensure that they're organised. They usually have a reduced timetable compared to when you're at a school sixth form, for example. So the idea that I would kind of try and instill in my students is to say to them to use any spare hours, almost treat it like a full-time job. So try and work from 10 to 5 every day to ensure that they're doing all the independent learning and all the extra reading they need to do to ensure their success on the course. I think organisation is quite key. And having the will to do well on the course, I think, is really important as well.
I chose Oxford College because it's the only college in whole London who accepts students who are over 18.
To be honest, it is the top college in London. The student always gets really good results. The teachers have a really good reputation here, so I decided to come in.
I chose to study at Uxbridge College because it is the #1 college in London, and also because I liked the courses that they had to offer.
I chose to study here obviously was because it catered to my international needs, and it is one of the most well-renowned schools in all of London, so obvious choice for me.
For me it was a recommendation from a friend, and my friend described this college as a really good college, and also when I came here on an open day, I was really impressed.
I like the teachers here, especially the physics and chemistry teachers. They are really amazing. And the administration as well. Like at any time I have a problem, they have the solution for me.
To be honest, the college are really nice. If you don't know what to study at uni, for example, you're studying A-levels like us, you don't know what to do at uni, you can go and ask careers and ask what subjects you can link up with your A-levels. The staff are very nice. If you want any question, you can just ask them. They're always happy to help, and they always gonna give time for you, even if they don't have.
I really like Uxbridge College because it has a variety of courses, first of all. Secondly, the teachers are absolutely amazing. They really help us wherever we need, and the administration also helps us a lot.
Well, what I like about the college is obviously the campus, the facilities, the employees and teachers within the school itself. From the diversity of the people to the educational offer, it is truly world-renowned.
During the exams, I always study from past paper. It's really helpful and it will make your result go high.
You just really do what the teachers are telling you to do. Always be on time. Always, it's really good idea to have like 99% attendance, 98% attendance. Just study 4 hours a day. Do the work that you just said, and do tons of past papers. Past papers are very important in A-level.
Well, I would definitely say some people will tell you to work hard, other people will tell you to work smart, but if you want to progress and do well in A2, you got to work hard and you got to work smart.
You have to attend the lessons, you have to be on time at the lesson, you have to listen to your teacher first, because teachers want all the best for you, practice a lot of questions.
Personally, I know that the gap from GCSE to AS is very hard, so I'd say be prepared